Hello all, I am Suresh from SID CorpTech LLP. Today I am going to show you on how to access the desktop application from the data center or from the head office server to your local office clients without using RDP. In this video I am going to show you Tally ERP9, a leader in accounting software. Basically, Tally is an application where you can install in the server and you can access inside in your premises. But if you want to access the same Tally outside of the premises, then you can use a couple of technologies. One is Microsoft Remote Desktop Protocol or Tally offering a .NET Remote Control. But you may feel some sort of difference, either it might be a slow or it might be a vulnerable. So in this video we introduced a technology called as SID technologies. In this technology, what will happen, you are getting an icon on the desktop which is called as SID client. In this SID client, when you double click it, it will prompt you the user ID and password of the server. So I'm going to type the user ID as SK and the password is blah blah blah. So let me click login. When you click login, immediately if you can see on the top of the window where you can see the Tally ERP9 icon. So I'm going to close this app and I'm going to double click this app. Immediately it will prompt you the same user ID and password, and I'm going to type the password on this. Let me click OK. So alright, if you see the window, it shows Tally nested. So what does this mean for? It means this particular window will clearly shows that how many packets that has been received from the data center server or head office server to your client machine. Similarly, how many packets has been sent from your client machine to the destination server of data center, or it might be in head office. Also, it will show you the average bandwidth. So currently it shows 20.5 kilobytes. Alright, so let me get into the Tally now. Since it's a video, I'm using the demo version, so it's absolutely educational mode. So let me click OK. So it's loading the company called as demo. Alright, in this video I'm going to create a new company so that you will get a clear picture how it works. Alright, okay, the new company I can call this Tally. Alright, I'm going to click Ctrl A. Let me check. Alright, so it's importing the statutory masters. The new company is loading in the particular directory. Alright, fine. So let me go ahead and create a couple of vouchers first. Let me create one. It would be demo, Ctrl A. Let me go ahead and create a group. Okay, and it will be test. Ctrl A. Alright, let me go ahead and create a voucher on it. It will be cash. It will be demo. 100. Let me go ahead and type the narration. Yes, that's it. So this is the way how you can make an entries on the Tally, and you can do all the reconciliation. You know, whatever you want, you can do it. That's not a big deal. Okay. Also, I would like to show you how to take the data from the server to your local machine. Basically, when you are doing some sort of works, and if you're trying to, and if you're willing to take the export, for example, you can take the data from the Tally in the format of Excel or JPEG or XML or like PDF. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So in this case, I'm going to do that. I'm going to select you the balance sheet, and it shows the current asset is 100, cash in hand, cash. It shows us the April. Okay, let me go ahead and click Alt E and I'm trying to do the export option. When I'm doing that, it shows the languages. It shows, since I don't install this Office or PDF applications in the server, so I'm going to select the JPEG, and it shows the export location is E:/Tally ERP9. This is not the location in your machine. This is not the location of your machine. This is the location of your server. Let me show you whether this Tally ERP9 is available in your local computer or not. If you see, this is the E, you cannot see the Tally ERP9 folder. Alright, got it. So this is a location which is exactly located in the server. So let me go ahead and click this, and let me take the export option, click export. Alright, see, wow, that export data has been automatically virtualized by the server and it has been prompted in your machine. So let me go ahead and take the printout of this. Let me show you that. You don't want to install any printers in your server. Basically, in Microsoft RDP, the printer will be automatically redirectly from server to your client machine, and it might take some time, depends on the latency between your head office as well as your branch office network. But in my case, you don't want to do all those stuff, because this particular data will be automatically virtualized by my software, okay, and it will redirect to your printer without any hassles. I mean to say, it consumes very less time compared to other products. So if you see my Samsung printer, it shows that details of this payment voucher. Okay, let me go ahead and cancel this now. Okay, meanwhile, let me show you, these are the printers has been installed in my machine. The Samsung, XPS, HP and fax. Alright, so let me go ahead and how to take the printout on this. Alt P. Now if you select the printer, now it will show you how many printers has been installed in my machine. Basically, if you go with other software, what it will show, it will prompt you to select the universal printer. Once you select the universal printer, immediately it will trigger the PDF application of your local machine. So once it's get triggered, from that PDF you can take the printout in your local network. But in my case, I mean to say, in my software, you don't want to do all those hassle work. Just select your printer and click yes, immediately it will get the printout. Let me check that. Again, wonderful. That's it. This is the way how it works. So let me show you the architecture, how this particular technology works. Hopefully you can see how the Tally works. Alright, so let me get into the screen. Alright, here we go. In this head office or data center, we install the Tally ERP9. It would be a multi-user pack. So once we install, the main office do not want to install all the Tally ERP9. So what they are supposed to do, they have to install the SID client technology. Once they install, immediately they will call the application from the branch office to the main office through internet, or if you want to access this particular application in a secure environment, then we would strongly suggest you to go with VPN. So SID will help you in all the sectors. I mean to say, SID will help you in whatever the technologies you require. SID will happily to help you. Alright, so this is the structure how it works. So in case of any queries, any suggestions, or if you want to get some sort of demo on this technologies, then please do visit our website, that is http://sidcorp.in, or you can mail it to us, tallysupport@sidcorp.in. So let me show you what is that stuff. Let me type it for you. It would be tallysupport@sidcorp.in, or you can type clientcare@sidcorp.in. Thanks for watching my video. You have a great day, and once again, I'm Suresh from SID Corp Tech LLP, India. Bye bye.